In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your master window switch, which is located on the driver's side door on this Toyota Camry. So let's get started. With a plastic trim tool, pop up the switch panel here. I'm using plastic so I don't damage this surface. There we go, just like so. It'll pop off the back as well. And then if you flip this over, you should be able to disconnect this main connector for the window switch. To do this, you have to squeeze the sides of it and basically slide it backwards. It has a little tab on one side that locks it. Sometimes you might need the help of a pry tool. There we go. Once you pry that back, you should be able to continue removing that connector. The switch is held on with 3 Phillips head screws, 2 at the back and 1 at the front. Take your Phillips head screwdriver and remove all 3 so we can pull the switch off. Take that last screw out, and here's your master window switch. Take the new master window switch, line it up. I'm going to start the 2 screws in at the back just because they're easier to see, and once I start these on, it'll allow me to have this held securely in place so I can start in the other ones. With these 2 in, snug them up, but don't tighten them too much. They're going into plastic, so once they bottom out, just pretty much leave them there. That's as tight as they're going to want to be. And the one at the front, snug. Let's connect the electrical connector back in. At the back here, when you reconnect it, if it doesn't go in, that means this collar, this locking collar isn't pulled back all the way. So pull it back all the way, and then that should allow you to press the electrical connector all the way in, just like so. Make sure that clicks. Slide this back down, press it, and now test out your window switch.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.